All right, you asked for it. Part 2 of things I would never do as a dermatologist, and not just your typical ones. I'll try my darndest to never let my son play in a sandbox. And I learned this from one of my attendings who shared with me some studies where they actually sampled multiple sandboxes from different daycares and playgrounds and found it teeming with bacteria and parasites. Bacteria like Clostridium difficile, which causes extremely smelly, huge bouts of diarrhea, Toxoplasma gondii parasite, as well as Ascaris roundworms. And these basically go straight from the cat's butt, and they bury their poop onto your child's hands, which then go into their mouths, and you can just imagine the chaos that ensues. Secondly, I would not let anyone inject filler into my nose. It's, there's something called a liquid rhinoplasty, and I just don't think it's a good idea. It's a super high risk area for skin necrosis and death. And 3, I never wash my face with really hot water, even though it might feel good and your skin is all tight afterwards. Well, it feels tight because it's super dry and it's getting like really stripped of all of its oils because of that hot water. So opt for lukewarm water and then gently pat dry and follow up with a moisturizer. And you should do this every night. 4, and I don't want to say never, but as of now, the evidence is not there for collagen powdered drinks and other foods. I just don't see it being that beneficial. The data is not there. In my mind, if you eat collagen, like in bone broth or other types of foods, it basically just gets broken down in your stomach. How does it know to make it all the way to your skin? I am not convinced. 5, last but not least, I'm not going to buy anything from Goop, ever.